Introducing GreenGenius, a powerful sustainability idea management system built on Smartsheet, designed by Lighthouse Consultings to drive a sustainable future. The GreenGenius dashboard, seamlessly integrated with Smartsheet, provides a comprehensive overview of all submitted ideas, their statuses, and key performance indicators. It serves as an entry point to detailed project Kanban boards and idea submission forms. Our interactive Kanban boards, powered by Smartsheet, make tracking the progress of each idea simple and efficient. You can quickly see the status of ideas, move them through stages, and collaborate with your team for seamless project management. With GreenGenius, employees worldwide can easily submit their sustainability ideas from any device, even on the go, directly into Smartsheet. This inclusive approach fosters innovation and empowers everyone to contribute to a greener future. Contact Lighthouse Consultings as we revolutionize sustainable innovation with GreenGenius, powered by Smartsheet. Discover how we can help build a more sustainable future together.